Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the today class of the IIB. That is 2021, going to be held on 31st October 2021. Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I put on the screen so that I could directly go to my class. Right, anyone? Yes, anyone can unmute and read what I put on the screen.
Fools give up fast, strong men persevere, the wise keep going forever.
Yes, that is the saying that the fools give up fast because they did not make it out the work. The strong man preserve it. The strong man will not leave it. The wise keep going on. That going on forever means he will try and try till he will succeed. That is the say about the regarding this statement is concerned. Okay, let me close this one. Then we will directly go to our class. And today is environmental law that I put it over there. And good evening to everybody, to the legal fraternity, the All India Bar Examination, 16th cohort 2021 environmental law MCQ. That is the multiple choice questions. Yes. And compiled by me, that is the Professor Dr. Muhammad Saib Hussain. Number one, please read. Who is the father of the Green Revolution? A. Sundarlal Bahuguna. D. Dr. Verghese Kurian. C. Dr. Norman Borlaug. D. Vinoba Bhave. Hurry up.
D, sir.
I told you that whenever you read the question, you have to say the full answer for that one. Yes?
C, sir.
First question answer is right. T, sir. Dr. Norman Borlaug.
The right answer is Dr. Norman Borlaug. Is the right answer. Because Norman Borlaug is the American plant breeder, humanitarian of the Nobel laureate, known as the father of the Green Revolution. And we spoke to Dr. Borlaug's granddaughter. That is, he has given it Julie Borlaug. Now I will show you there are 4 pictures. I would like to know who are they. Okay, now I think that you could see the picture now. Photos. Is it or not? Is it or not? Is it or not? Could you see that pictures? See, so much I am crying. So much I am crying. These are the two pictures. And these are the 2 pictures. Can you make it out? Who are they? It is already given over here. Sundarlal Bahuguna, Dr. Verghese Kurian, Dr. Norman Borlaug, Vinoba Bhave. The first, the left-hand side is, that is this man is where my cursor is there. He is a Sundarlal Bahuguna, where I am rounding the cursor. And the next one is Dr. Verghese Kurian. And the here where I am, it is a Dr. Borlaug, Norman Borlaug, where I am cursor, I am revolving. And this is Vinoba Bhave. What is the Vinoba Bhave contribution? What is the slogan? Please, if you know it, you tell me. If not, you say pass on. Don't kill the time.
Sir, Bhutana Yagnam anukunta, sir.
Land distribution.
Bhutan movement. Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Noted environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna died of the COVID-19 at All India Institute of Medical Science, Rishikesh on Friday on 8/10/2021. He died over there on that day. Means on Friday he died. Who? Sundarlal Bahuguna. Now let us come to the second point immediately. Environment Protection 1986 Act of the Parliament of India. In the wake of Dash, the Government of India enacted the Environment Protection Act of 1986 under Dash of the Constitution passed in May 1986. It came into force on Dash 1986. Now there are 3 dashes are there. What are the 3 dashes? A, that is the Bhopal disaster, Article 240, 253 and 18 November, and B, it is the William gas disaster, Article 253, November 19, and C, it is a Bhopal Disaster, Article 153, 19 November, it is a D. Again, the Bhopal gas tragedy case, and Article 253, 19 November. Which one is the right answer? 3.
Sir, D, sir.
D.
Bhopal disaster article 19 November.
Answer is A or B or C or D.
D, sir.
Is a D, the last
D,
one,
sir.
where I am cursor showing the cursor.
D,
This is
D
the
is right
last
answer.
one, the Bhopal disaster, and Article 253, 19th November, that is the right answer. Environment Protection Act 1986 and the Act number of 1986. 26,
29.
27, 29
D,
is the
sir.
right answer. D
D,
is the
sir.
right answer. Yes, I am right. You are right. An environment law does not ensure that A. Individuals, B. Government cooperative don't cause harm, C. To protect the salary package of the individual, D. To the environment, its ecosystem.
C, sir.
D is right answer, sir.
See, that what I
So the
highlighted is the
environment
right
is ecosystem.
answer. It will not protect the salary package of the individual. It will only protect the individuals, and the government cooperative who don't cause harm, and the environment is the ecosystem. That is the answer for that one. The fifth one, yes, which statement is false in connection with the environmental law? I say false. Means other three are right. A. Environmental law does not consist of a wide variety of the legislation, enactments, and provisions. B. That is environmental law chiefly concerned with the regulation of the human activity concerning our national environment and its various interconnected ecosystem. C. While everything that is encompassed in environmental law may not directly intersect with each other, D. Environmental law act as a safeguard in preventing the environmental damages and ensuring the effective management of the environment and its multiple ecosystem. Then A, B, C, D that I read it. By this time that you will be in a position to give me the answer. I say false.
Sir, fifth question answer is
Yes,
sir,
answer
fifth
is.
question answer is A, sir.
It is
A.
A is the right answer. You are right, Sanjay Rani. The environmental law does not know. It is the answer says it does not know. Wide variety. Environmental law consists of the wide variety of legislation and enactment and provisions. They remove the wide variety, then I put that as not, because that is the false statement. The feedback I have clearly mentioned. Environmental law consists of the wide variety of legislation, does not consist of, is not there. So the false statement is A. Now the sixth question. Let us see the sixth question. Which statement is false concerning the importance of environmental law? Importance of the environmental law, that one statement is false. A. Environmental law and legislation are central in protecting us humans as well as different plants and animals in the greater ecosystem that we exist in. B. Environmental law ensures that individuals, governments, and cooperative don't cause harm to the environment or to its ecosystem. C. It is a state in setting up the regulating and interpreting the various conventions and laws that have been initiated with the various countries and international organizations across the world. And the last one, D, that is the environmental law to prevent the transgression that pose a threat to the environment and by extension of human race as a whole. So A, B, C, D I wrote. Which one is false?
Sixth question answer is B, sir.
Sir,
Environmental law ensures that individuals, governments, and corporates do not cause harm to the environment on its ecosystem.
The right answer is 6C, because it is central in setting up the regulating, that is the wording is used over there. It is a setting up the regulating and interpreting the various sections, interpreting the various conventions and laws have been initiated by the various countries of international. The feedback is it is given in that way. So now the right answer is
C.
yeah. So that is the right answer. Means there's a false answer for that one. What I want to say is, Okay, seventh is environmental law or environmental law that addresses a wide variety of the different areas. Listed here are some of the most central areas that are governed by the environmental law, and its principles are three, but not one. There are principles are three very much connected to it, but not one. Which one it is? A. Reducing the air pollution and maintaining the air quality. B. Water quality and waste management. C. Containment cleanup and damage mutation. D. Chemical safety and sustainability of resources.
D, sir.
It's
I
B,
told
sir.
you.
Water quality and waste management.
That's C,
It is a
that's C,
C.
sir. Cantonment
False
clean and
is
damage
cantonment
mutation.
cleanup is not there. Damage mutation is not there. So the right answer is there. We should say cantonment. There is a containment cleanup and damage mitigation. That is the thing. But I changed it. Containment to the cantonment. I changed it. And cleanup I made it. Instead of making the mitigation, I wrote there damage mutation. So B is the. See, the C is the wrong answer there. Okay. Eighth, water quality waste include all three, but not one among the four options. Which one it is? I repeat, water quality waste include all three components, but not one component among the four. A. Raw sewage. B. The liquid waste from the kitchen site. C. Agricultural waste and industrial waste. D. The liquid waste from the construction sites.
Yes, sir.
Your answer is very low. I could not follow you. Okay. The right answer is for eighth question.
D, sir.
It is a B. The liquid
D,
waste
D,
from
sir.
kitchen site. I repeat, it is a B. The liquid waste from kitchen site is not included over there, but other things are very much included in the quality waste, water quality waste. Ninth question. Can anybody will read? Ninth question, unmute and read.
Waste management
The ninth
includes
question,
all
sir, waste management includes all three waste, but not one is false. A, municipal waste. B, corporation waste. C, hazardous waste. D, nuclear waste.
hazardous waste. C.
Second option.
Municipal waste. A.
There is no corporation waste. Municipal waste is there, but there is no corporation waste. So the answer is
Okay.
there is no corporation waste.
B,
There is a municipal
corporation
waste is there.
waste.
Yeah. This next question is waste management laws does not regulate the dash. Number A, transport and treatment. Read. Second one, read. Second one,
I did
read.
not see.
Stock, sir.
stock storage,
Disposable of all manner of waste.
Then which is the right answer? Which is the right answer?
Sir,
Don't
disposable of
regulate.
all manner of waste.
B. STOCK stock.
B,
It
sir.
will not.
Stock. B, sir.
Management laws does not regulate the STOCK stock. That is a B. But transport is regulated, treatment regulated, storage regulated, disposal of all management regulated. So here I given the what is the stock. Stock is a security that represents a fraction of the ownership of the issuing the corporation. For example, if a company has a 1 lakh shares outstanding, an investor owns a stock certificate. Here, the 10,000 shares, then investor owns 10% of the company stock. That is a STOK stock. Okay. Yes, anyone can read the E. EIS stands for A.
Sir,
Environment.
C, sir. Environmental impact assessment. C.
Yes, it is right, Bahubali. C is the right answer for that one. That is the environmental impact assessment. C is the right answer for the EIE stands for. Okay, now the 12th question is environmental impact assessment controller stops the issuing the license to companies by virtue of the different legislation include the limiting of the human activities. These include all three components is very much connected with the environmental impact assessment, but not one. Which is not one, which is not connected to the environmental impact assessment. A, the prevention of the overfishing. B, the prevention of the overuse of water. D, deforestation. D. Excessive mining.
Forestation. C.
Wrong. It is very much connected with the impact system. That is there. Because if you do the deforestation, naturally there will be
Overuse of
imbalance in the
water.
ecosystem.
Overuse of water.
Yes, the prevention of the overuse of water is not there. It will not come under the impact system. But all other three, like the prevention of the overfishing, will come into the impact system. Deforestation come in the impact system, and excessive mining also comes in the impact system. Okay, number 13. Can anybody will read? Unmute and read.
Here are some of the most notable international environmental laws passed in recent times. Which one is false? Ramsar Convention, Stockholm Conference, Kyoto Protocol, Bonn Convention.
Yes, even shoot, even though wrong, doesn't matter.
C, sir.
Sir, B, sir. Stockholm Conference.
Kyoto Protocol, sir.
Yes,
C,
sir.
sir.
Bonn
Kyoto
Convention, sir. D is correct, sir.
Everybody is wrong. I think A.V. Reddy is right. D, it is not Bonn, B-O-R, Bonn Convention. It is B-O-N-N, Bonn Convention. That is wrong. That is a false one. But a brief about the environmental convention, Ramsar Convention is there. Yes,
Bonn.
the Stockholm Convention is there. And Convention on the Biological Diversity is there. Bonn, B-O-N-N, Bonn, N-N, Bonn. But I wrote B-O-R-N, Bonn. And that is not false. The Vienna Convention is there, Montreal Protocol is there, Kyoto Protocol is there. These are all connected to the environment. Yes. Now come to the 14th question. What is the full form of the UNFCCC?
Sir, it's A, sir. UN Framework Conventions on Climate Change.
I'm sorry, wrong.
Okay, on climate, yes, right, sir. Okay, it's B, sir. UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. Convention on, okay.
Changes.
Yes, sir.
UN Framework Convention.
Sorry.
No, sir, it's C. C.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
D, sir. D, sir.
It is
D,
a
sir.
D.
UN Framework Convention on Climate
Framework
Change.
Convention on the Climate Change.
Oh my God.
That is a D. Sanjay Rani has given the right answer for that one. Okay, now the 15th question is, which conference or conventions marked the creation of the United Nations Environment Program? Bonn Convention, Vienna Convention, Stockholm Conference, Ramsar Convention.
Right answer is B, sir.
The right answer is Stockholm Convention has created the creation of the United Nations Environment Program. It's the Stockholm Convention.
Stockholm,
The right answer
yes.
for the 15th question.
United
16th question.
States.
In which convention, Vargule Conference, more steps were taken to preserve and protect the ozone layer? In which convention? Bonn Convention, Vienna Convention, Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol.
D, sir.
It is a B,
D.
Vienna Convention. It is a B, Vienna Convention is the right answer for the 16th question. Now the 17th question. In which convention Vargule Conference higher responsibility on the developed countries to reduce the emission of they bore primarily responsible for the higher level of emissions from the factories? Number A, Ramsar Convention. B, Kyoto Protocol. C, Montreal Protocol. D, Bonn Convention. Emission of the
C, sir.
soot.
C, sir.
The answer is B, Kyoto Protocol, where the emissions, about the emissions were dealt in that Kyoto Protocol. That is the right answer for the 17th. That is the B, Kyoto Protocol. Now 18th question. For the first time, the principle of polluter pays was applied by citing the which convention it is made? Polluter pays. Bonn Declaration, Rome Declaration, Ramsar Conventions, or Doha Declaration? Shoot, even though it is wrong, no negative marks.
D, sir.
That is, yes.
Declaration.
Which
Doha
declaration?
Declaration.
The right answer is Rome Declaration.
Bond declaration.
It is the 18th is the Rome Declaration is the right answer, where the polluter pays principle was evolved over there. What is the Doha Declaration? Doha Declaration is about the TRIPS. That is about the agreement of the public health and adapted the WTO Ministerial Conference, Doha Convention. That is about TRIPS. TRIPS means trade related aspects of the intellectual property rights. That is about the TRIPS. Okay, 19th one. Okay. Here are some notable environmental laws in India. Which one is correct sequence? That means ascending order in the year of passage.
sir.
Yes.
So it's not coming, sir.
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is not visible.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Now it is perfect, sir.
You didn't
Now-
scroll it down. That's the reason.
Yes, sir. Mute. Everybody mute. Everybody mute. I will read. Everybody mute. Yes. So there are all the environmental laws are made in India, but in order I want to see. In order, which order it is there? Which come first, which come later, which come later. Order. That is in the A, I give the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act, the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act, then the Environment Protection Act, and the National Green Tribunal Act. A. B, I made the different order. The Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act, the Environmental Protection Act, the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act, and the National Green Tribunal Act. In C, I made the different combinations. And the D, I made the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act, the Environmental Protection Act, the National Green Tribunal Act, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. So, which sequence is the proper sequence in the ascending order? అంటే తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే ఏది ముందుగా వచ్చింది, ఏది చివరికి వచ్చింది?
Sir, 19th question answer is D, sir. The Air Prevention and Control of
19th
Pollution
question
Tribunal Act.
answer is A. I repeat again. 19th question answer is A. The Water Prevention and Pollution, because here I have given the years. Here I have given the years. 1974, 1981, 1986, and 2010. That is the sequence. Then which come first? The first came is Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974. Which comes last? The National Green Tribunal Act.
The National Green Tribunal Act 2010.
Is the last one. So the first is the right answer. Okay, read the 20th question.
Numerous different legislations regulate waste management in India. One is false among the notable legislations of four. A. Factories Act and Public Liability Insurance Act. B. National Environment Tribunal Act. C. Environmental Impact Assessment Act. And D. Various rules and regulations under the Environmental Act.
Shoot.
Factory, sir,
Sir, it's
20th
C,
question
sir.
answer is
Environmental
A.
Impact Assessment.
Yes, sir.
Environmental Impact Assessment Act.
Environment Impact Assessment Act, it is not there. But the other three are there. So the right answer is
C, sir.
C is right, because the Factories Act, there, Public Liability Insurance Act is there, National Environment Tribunal Act is there, and the various rules and notification and the Environment Act is there. But Environment Impact Assessment is there, not there, because it is a process of evaluating likely to the environment impact of proposed project or development, taking into the account interrelated socio-economic, cultural, and human health impacts, both beneficial and adverse. There is no act, it is a quality control device in one way, in another way. Okay, 21st question. Waste management legislations have been further not backed by, I told, means 3 will back the water waste management legislation, but 1 will not back, means support. A. The hazardous waste management rules of 2008. B. The municipal solid waste rules of 2000. And C, the hazardous microorganism rules 1989. And D, none of the above.
The hazardous microorganism rules 1989.
You are right, Vijay. It is the hazardous microorganism rules 1989. It is not back to the waste management. It is for the environmental law. Some other act it will be backed by. Okay, 22. Environment impact assessment in India is statutorily backed by the dash, which contains the various provisions on the EIA methodology and process. Here I have given the A, B, C, D. Then which one is the backed by this environmental impacts assessment in India is backed by one act? What is that act? The Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act.
Sir,
Yes, repeat.
sir, may I know that full form of EIA methodology?
Environmental impact assessment.
Okay.
Yes. The right answer is the Environment Protection Act of 1986 back to make the environment impact assessments in India. So the right answer is C. It will back it to create the environment impact assessment. It is a board which will make it out because you have to take the impact certificate first from this board. Then only that you can start any industry. Okay, now you tell me that I want to check your IQ. To become an environmental lawyer, one needs a law degree first and foremost now. What is the degree? A. Bachelor of General Laws. B. Legum Magister. C. Legum Baccalaureus. D. Diploma in Law.
Sir, C, sir, Legum Baccalaureus.
Baccalaureus. C.
It is right. It is a Legum Baccalaureus is nothing but L full stop B full stop. That is the minimum requirement. What is the Legum Magister? It is L, capital L, and full stop M, Master of Laws. Of course, diploma in law, you are not having the eligibility to go for the advocate. Advocate means minimum LLB 3 YDC or 5 YDC is must. And a Bachelor of Laws, General Laws, if you study it, it is only the degree, but it cannot be used for the practice. Okay, 24th. Match the following article or section in part 1 and its meaning or explanation in part 2. The CRPC under section 133 and Article 21, everybody knows it. Article 51, capital A, and Clause G, and Article 48, capital A. Now, the right-hand side, in the part 2, I gave a state to protect the improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country, and B, cast a duty to, on every citizen of the country to protect and improve the environment, and the C, the right to life, and it was held by the Supreme Court, was not limited to a merely animal existence. D, empowers the magistrate to remove the public nuisance of an environmental nature. So, which section connect with the which section? Here I have given the 4 options. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2B, 3C, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Which one is the right answer? Please check it.
Sir, 24 question answer is C, sir, C. 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A.
You are right, Sanjay Rani. It is the 24th right answer is 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. That is may C. See, here I have given the feedback. If you read the feedback, you could understand the same Article 48A, state to protect the improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. Article 51, capital A, and Clause G, cast a duty on every citizen of the country to protect and improve the environment. Article 21, the right to life, and it was held by the Supreme Court, was not limited to merely animal existence. And CRPC under Section 133, it empowers the magistrate to remove the public nuisance of an environmental nature. Yes, 25th question. The Supreme Court, in the case of Dash, dealing with the nuisance caused by smoke emanating from a bakery, held that what is involved is not merely the right of private individual, but the health, safety, and convenience of the people. In which case law it is decided. I have given the A, B, C, D. Municipal Council, Ratnam versus Sri, Vardichan and others, and Jita Ram and others versus Hajari Mal, and C. Govind Singh versus Shanti Swarup, D. Ramlal versus State of Rajasthan and another. In which case law, emitting the smoke emanating from the bakery, and health, it is involved not merely to the private of individual, but health, safety, and the convenience of the public. The right answer is Govind Singh versus Shanti Swaroop. That the C is the right answer. We have in the law of taught one case law. I don't know whether you remember the name of the case law or not. Sturgis versus Bridgman. There is a confectionery is there. It is more than 25 years or 20 years it was there. But later on, a doctor has constructed a consulting room adjacent to it from the date that he felt that there is a lot of dust soot coming out of from his confectionery and causing the disturbance to the customers, those who are patients, and he filed a case. Then the defense taken by the confectionery stating that this industry confectionery is more than 25 years are there, and you came near to the nuisance, and there they said no, the day when the nuisance was created, from the day it will be counted. I don't know whether you remember that case law or not. That law of taught, to whom I taught, they should remember that case law. Okay, next 26th question. In the celebrated dash case, the Supreme Court declared that any member of the public acting bona fide can maintain an action for redress where a public wrong or injury is caused by the state. So, which case law the Supreme Court declared any member of the public acting bona fide can maintain an action?
It's C, sir. SP Gupta versus President of India and others.
No, it is a SP Gupta versus President of India and others. In that case law, they said Supreme Court declared that any member of the public acting bona fide can maintain an action for the redress where a public wrong or injury is caused by the state. Yes, one can take the law in the hand like a PIL, one can file it. Okay, 27th question. Dash a case that the Supreme Court declared in explicit terms that the right to pollution-free environment is a part of the right to life under the 21 of the Constitution of India. In which case law it is dealt?
Sir,
It is
Bhopal
a
gas
easy-
tragedy. B, sir, B.
It is a very easy question. To who?
Sir, all of the above, sir. All of the
All
above, D.
of
above,
the
sir.
above. Methyl isocyanide case law also, the same case law, Bhopal gas tragedy case law, Union of India versus Union Carbide of India also the same Bhopal gas tragedy case law, and MIC case law, and all of the above is the right answer. Yes, 28. More recently, in the day, the Supreme Court had held that if any developmental project were to be stalled by reason of any public interest action before the court of law, and ultimately it is found that the action is not bona fide, the petitioner would be liable to pay the exemplary cost. Suppose if you go for the any PIL, if you find that it is not bona fide PIL, you will be penalized by the Supreme Court because you are unnecessarily consumed the court time. Say which case law where the penalty is made on the petitioner and who filed a PIL. Yes, it is a very famous case law because that fellow is filed a PIL case in the Supreme Court, but he could not make bona fidely that he did it, and there is no such a thing would be there. Then the Supreme Court has penalized him and imposed some fine. Exemplary damages will be filed by the petitioner. That is a very famous case law. That is Raunas International Limited versus IVR Construction Limited and others. That means B. Raunas International Limited versus IVR Construction Limited and others is the right answer for that one. Okay, 29th. Can anyone unmute and read 29th question? Can anyone unmute and read the 29th question?
The polluter
The
pays
29th,
and
sir, the polluter pays and the precautionary principles were not applied in subsequent cases like the A, Calcutta 10 years case and the shrimp farming case, B, Bhopal gas tragedy case, C, the Taj trapezium case, D, the Kamal Nath case.
Polluter pays and precautionary principles. were not applied in the subsequent cases like. Here he has given 3 cases. Which one is the right answer?
Bhopal gas tragedy case.
Yes. That is the Bhopal gas strategy case. Other 3 are very much connected to it. So that is the right answer for that one. Is it clear? Trapezium case, it is applicable over there. But here, no polluter place, no nothing. It is an absolute liability come over there in the Bhopal tragedy case. So that is the right answer for that one. Okay, now 30th question. The entire city of Dash would fall within the ambit of the coastal regulation zone 2. I repeat.
Madras,
The
sir.
entire city of Dash would fall within the ambit of the coastal regulation zone 2. In which case? I mean, sir, which city? Puducherry, Vishakhapatnam, Madras, or Bombay?
Sir, A. Puducherry, sir. Puducherry. A.
Sir, it's
D,
D
sir.
Bombay, sir. D Bombay.
Bombay!
D, sir.
Because
D
it is
Bombay.
clearly given one of the case law in Gateway of India. In Gateway of India, very opposite to the Taj Mahal. Is it Taj Mahal Hotel? No, that is.
Yes, sir. Hotel Taj Mahal.
Hotel Taj Mahal. They are constructing the public toilet there. Of course. So they challenged it. They said, no, it is not a coastal zone. They said, no. Entire Bombay city come under the coastal zone. That the
Yes, sir.
regulation is there. So that is the case law. It is clearly mentioned. From there I tapped this one. Okay, 31. The need to protect the coastal zone was recently emphasized by the Supreme Court in the case of, yes, I told you, in one of the case law, it is clearly given. Which case law? Prochi Naumjar Mehta case law, or P. Naveen Kumar case law, or Vishaka SPCA case law, or Municipal Corporation of Greater Bombay versus Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited case law. In which case law that is made the coastal line?
Sir, it's
Sir,
C Vishaka.
sir.
C is the right
Vishaka.
answer. It is Vishaka SPCA versus Union of India and others. They clearly mentioned what comes under the coastal zone. Yes, after the 32 question, after passing of the Environment Protection Act in 1986, CRZ rules were first framed in which year CRZ rules are first framed? I will tell you what is CRZ later. It is 1991, these rules are framed. What is CRZ? Now we'll see here. Yes, what is the full form of CRZ? A, B, C, D. Central Reserve Zone. B, Central Rule-in Zone. C, Coastal Regulation in Zone. D, Coastal Regulation Zone.
It's D Coastal Regulation Zone.
It is a D, Coastal Regulation Zone is the right answer. CRZ means Coastal Regulation Zone. Okay, next case, next question is Coastal Regulation Zone, that is a CRZ acronym within parentheses. Notification declared the CRZ area as the coastal stretches for all 3, but not 1. All 3 are related to CRZ, but not 1. Which one it is? C, base,
C.
estuary.
Sir, it's C, sir. Gulf and Actuary.
C.
It is a sea. Do you know what is meant by Gulf? Gulf means is a part of the ocean of the sea extending into the land. See, here I have shown you Gulf. See, this part is extended into the land. So this is the Gulf. This is the Gulf. Okay. And do you know estuary? Estuary means the sea is there. Suppose the river is there. A river and sea confluence, the mouth is called estuary. This is estuary. And base, the Bay of Bengal is the bay. Sea, you know it. Creek, a small narrow passage passing from one sea to the another sea, or one water to the another sea. But what is actuary? ACTUARY, actuary. The actuary means he's a professional who fixes the premium in the insurance. He's called actuary. He is well versed in statistics. He is well versed in mathematics. Okay, now
Insurance risk and premium.
yeah, insurance people, that actuaries are appointed over there because they know that what the how much the premium should be fixed over there for the persons, for the age, for the factories, for anything which they are going to insure. Okay, 35th, the Taj trapezium case involved production of the Taj Mahal from the dash caused by the coal-based industry nearby. Now, A, water pollution, B, air pollution, C, erosion pollution, D, sand wind pollution.
A is correct answer, sir. Water
Sir,
pollution.
sand wind pollution, sir.
No, sir.
మీ
It's
దండం
air
పెడతా
pollution,
మీ
sir.
దండం పెడతా నేను ఇక్కడ చదివింది ఏంది చేసి
B,
రాండి.
sir.
నేను
B,
కోల్
air
బేస్డ్
pollution.
B, sir.
ఇండస్ట్రీ అన్నా,
Air pollution.
కోల్ బేస్డ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అన్నా. కోల్ బేస్డ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలా వాటర్ ఎందుకు వచ్చిందండి అక్కడ?
Air pollution.
B, sir.
బి ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్ అండి. అది మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం చేసి, యూ డిడ్ నాట్ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్, యూ డిడ్ నాట్ సీ వాట్ ఐ రెడ్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ దేర్ అండ్ మేక్ ఇస్ sand pollution, erosion pollution, this pollution. Where is the sand comes over there? I say coal based industry I sold. When the coal based industry means the emission will come out. Emission will come out in the form of the air. Then suppose if they say emission, then you can say right, emission is the right answer. But the right answer here is that because of the air pollution. Okay. Next
Sir,
one,
this
36
case is
question.
regarding MC Mehta, right?
Yes, sir.
Taj
Yeah,
trapezium
yeah.
is
No,
regarding
no.
MC Mehta case.
Yeah, I think MC Mehta, no, somebody else case. Taj case, I think is
Sir, it's MC Mehta versus Union of India 1986.
might be the reason because the MC Mehta has filed so many cases are there, and that's why I don't know exactly. But one thing that I would like to clear over there, Taj Mahal is on the bank of which side? Which bank? River?
Sir, Yamuna, sir, river Yamuna.
Is it a left hand bank or right hand bank?
Left hand bank.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
See, when you are coming from there, it comes to the right. But anyway,
Okay.
it flows down.
Only
I believe.
going there. Okay, fine.
Yes,
But-
it is going down, I believe, because there is no water at all when I saw the Taj Mahal. So many times I went over there. I don't know water flowing this side to that side or that side to this side. Okay, let us come
Actually,
to the
water
next.
flows on Delhi side.
Achha, Delhi side it flows. Then it is
Yes,
the
sir.
left hand side is the right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now come to the 36th is concerned. The anxiety of the court in preserving the monument is well reflected. The atmospheric pollution is dash has to be eliminated at any cost, not even 1% of chance that to be taken when the preservation of a prestigious monument like the Taj is involved. Then what is
Yes,
dash?
And Taj Mahal.
Yes, tell me.
Correct answer A, sir.
Taj Mahal monument. Taj Mahal monument, sir. Yeah.
I'm very sorry.
Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal zone, I guess.
TTZ. TTZ.
Okay, Taj trapezium zone.
Yes. Pollution in the TTZ, there is a Taj trapezium, because when you happen to see, it is a trapezium, it looks like totally. Taj and other environments, that zone would be like the trapezium, it will be look like. That's why they say Taj trapezium zone has to be eliminated at any cost, not even 1% of the chance to be taken when the preservation of the prestigious monument like Taj Mahal and is involved. Sir, why the people have constructed the Taj Mahal, sir? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir.
Why Taj Mahal was constructed? What is the memory of the Taj Mahal?
Died on the birth of wife Mumtaz Mahal.
Okay, who constructed it?
Shah Jahan.
Okay. I appreciate. Very good. Taj trapezium zone (TTZ) is a defined area of the 10,400 square kilometers. The Taj Mahal to protect the monument from the pollution. TTZ is so named since it is located around the Taj Mahal and it is shaped like a trapezoid. That's why TTZ is given over there. Okay, next 37th question. Now let us see. The Supreme Court has gone to the extent of establishing dash both in the Supreme Court and also in the various high courts in the country to deal exclusively with the environment cases. Is it a division benches? It is a green benches? It is the full court benches. It is the small cast court benches.
Sir, it's
Correct answer, sir.
A, sir, division benches.
See, first you
B.
read the question and you decide.
B, sir. Green benches.
Green benches.
Because
It is
it's
called a
environmental.
green benches because these cases are called green benches because I kind you to make you to confuse the division benches, full court benches, and small cast court benches to make you confused that I put all those things. Okay, 38. Area like dash are growing at such a rapid pace that illegal regimes all over the world need to adapt quickly to the changes taking place. Number one, biometric. Number B, bioengineering. C, biotechnology. D, biochemistry.
Sir,
Which is
it's biotechnology.
yes, it is right. Biotechnology is right because of the growing such a rapid pace that the legal regime all over the world need to adapt quickly to the changes taking place. It is the biotechnology is the right answer. 39th question. The jurisprudence in environmental law, which it is focused on the human rights, has provided for the internationally recognized dash right be developed. Is it the first generation right, second generation right, or third generation right, or fourth generation?
अनु वो इंजेक्शन कितने में है आप उठाना जरा
ओ अब आपके बातें
मैडम,
यहाँ
म्यूट
सुने
कर
आ
लो
रहे हैं
मैडम।
आयशा हसन आप घर में बातें करे तो यहाँ सुने आ रहे हैं म्यूट एंड स्पीक
हाँ
म्यूट एंड स्पीक आयशा हसन व्हाटएवर यू
हाँ
स्पीक इन द हाउस आई
मैं
कुड
दो बार
हियर योर
बोला तो
वॉइस
नहीं वो कितने में है पूछेंगे
आयशा
वो तो
हसन
मैंने
म्यूट आयशा हसन यू म्यूट एंड स्पीक Aisha Hassan making the talk when he has unmuted it. Okay, last question, fourth, 48th. The dash of the courts in India is a welcome approach in adjudicating the cases involved in the environmental law. Number 8.
Sir, you didn't tell us 39th question answer.
Yes.
Disposable.
39th question answer.
It is a third generation. It is a third generation. 39th question is third generation. Yes, 40th question is
Okay.
the dash of the court in India is a welcome approach in educating the cases involved in the environmental law. Public interest litigation, or radicalism, or disposable, or dynamism.
Disposable.
Sir, Phil, sir, public interest litigation, sir.
No, its answer is
No,
D.
no, it's D.
Dynamism.
D, dynamism.
D, dynamism. Now the next tomorrow cases. Tomorrow subject is
Evidence Act.
tomorrow subject
Evidence
is
Act. Evidence Act.
environmental law.
Sir, today is environmental law, sir. Tomorrow is Evidence Act.
Evidence law.
Evidence Act.
It is the Evidence Act. It is an 8-mark question. Please, before you are coming, you read it, then you come to the class. Then the class will be a participatory class rather than the sermon class. And this thanks a lot for your listening and participation. I just wanted to say thank you for your participation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
But one thing is there, when you speak our home affairs, you mute and speak home affairs. When you want to give the answer, you can unmute it. Like Asa, Hassan, today, whatever she is speaking in the house, I could hear it and also you could also hear it. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you are giving the answer to me, you unmute, then you speak. When you don't want to speak, you can mute it. Now you can discuss whatever you want. Even